What you need to do before opening a spread trade. Make sure you have sufficient funds for your trade. The amount that you are required to deposit in your account will depend on what market you are trading and the size of your stake. This deposit is known as margin, and each market has a different minimum initial margin requirement, or IMR. You can calculate the minimum deposit required to open a trade by multiplying your stake with the minimum IMR. For example, the minimum IMR for the Capital Spreads UK 100 rolling daily market is 30. So for £1 per point trade, you would require a minimum of £30 in your account. That's £1 multiplied by 30. Decide how long you want to keep your trade open. There are two types of spread betting contracts that you can trade. Rolling contracts are the more popular as you can keep them open for a considerable length of time, and their prices are quoted with tighter spreads. Rolling contracts will remain open until you close them, or until an order is triggered to close them. Futures contracts can remain open until you close them, or until an order is triggered to close them, or until their fixed expiry date. The maximum expiry date for a futures contract is not normally greater than 1 year, but is generally 3 months or less. The table highlights the key differences between the two types of contracts. Check the level of the automatic stop loss attached to your trade. Every trade that you open with the Capital Spreads will have a mandatory stop loss order attached to it to limit the loss if a trade turns into a losing position and therefore mitigate some of the risks of trading. Stop losses are orders to close your position if the market moves against you and your losses reach a certain level. Open a trade on the Capital Spreads trading platform, a computer-generated stop loss, CGSL, is created automatically based on the funds that you have available in your account. Once this stop loss is generated, you can change the level at which it is set, provided you have sufficient funds in your account.